Hey everyone, we've recently received some big news. Apple is definitely planning to release a flip-style phone, and it's coming out very soon. In today's video, we'll be sharing all the details about this upcoming device, along with a summary of everything we know so far about the potential iPhone 17 Flip. Let's start by discussing the recent leak, which comes from Ross Young. If you're familiar with Ross Young, you know he's a reliable source, particularly when it comes to screen technology. Whether it's for a Mac, iPad, or iPhone, his leaks about screens have generally been trustworthy. In this case, he shared a statement indicating that Apple is planning to revolutionize the flip phone market. However, it looks like we'll have to wait until 2026 to see this come to fruition. This is exciting news, as it marks Apple's entry into a market that has been around for quite some time. Other companies have already released flip and foldable phones. For example, we have devices like the Google Pixel Fold, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold, and OnePlus's foldable phones. Many Android manufacturers have already launched foldable phones, while Apple has yet to release a foldable device or screen. But now it looks like Apple is finally preparing to join the foldable phone race. What we've heard from numerous leaks and rumors in the past about a possible flip or fold-style phone suggests that Apple is indeed looking to create a flip-style device. By this, it means a design similar to the Motorola Razr or the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. The exciting part about Apple entering this market is that it will likely be easy to transition the current version of iOS, whatever that may be when the phone launches onto a flip phone, as the screen interface will closely resemble what we currently have on bar-style phones. This makes migration simple. It's great to see Apple finally exploring this space, especially considering the many leaks we've seen in the past. A leaked design doesn't always guarantee that the actual product will come to fruition. However, with leaks from Ross Young and recent reports suggesting that Apple is working on a flip-style phone, it's becoming increasingly clear that Apple may be a bit late to the game. Nonetheless, they are finally planning to release a new flip phone. Whether it will be called the iPhone Flip or have a number attached to it like the iPhone 17 Flip is still unclear. If it's set to launch in 2026, it likely won't be called the iPhone 17 Flip. Instead, it could be named the iPhone 18 Flip or simply the iPhone Flip, starting a new numbering series, similar to how the Apple Watch Ultra transitioned from the Apple Watch Ultra to the Apple Watch Ultra 2, even though it remains part of the same product line. In 2025, we're likely to see a new type of phone with a redesign, possibly something like an iPhone Air or a slimmer iPhone. Leaks and rumors also suggest that the iPhone 17 Pro models could undergo a full redesign, which would be exciting. Additionally, Apple may introduce a flip phone in the coming years, finally addressing the demand for innovation in their designs. It seems Apple is listening to consumer feedback and is planning to bring these changes to life soon. Regarding the potential release of a new flip iPhone, 2026 is the target year. While we don't yet have the iPhone 17 models, the flip phone could possibly launch alongside the iPhone 18 in 2026. Apple typically holds its product events in September, around the early teens of the month. Following the announcement, new iPhones and products usually become available around 7 to 10 days later, sometimes even 2 weeks. This is when we can expect to get our hands on the highly anticipated flip phone from Apple, which would be an exciting development. When it comes to pricing, we can look at devices like the Motorola Razr, but if we point more towards Samsung as the main competitor, especially with their flip phones. Right now, the Samsung flip phone costs around $1,100 or just over that, and Apple will likely target a similar price range. For context, you can get a regular iPhone 16 for about $700, so it's reasonable to assume that if Apple releases a flip phone, it will cost a few $100s more due to the added flip feature. That being said, don't expect the flip phone to be a Pro model. It will probably be more like a standard iPhone 18 design with just 2 cameras. The main feature will be its flip capability, and it might also have a rear screen. In terms of pricing and release time, the iPhone 17 Flip, or possibly just the iPhone Flip, could arrive in 2026. Are you excited about this news? Is this a phone you'd consider getting in 2026? Let us know in the comments below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Until next time, take care and see you soon. Bye.